So students, where were we? In the first session we were discussing rectangles case number 1 when the measurements of its two sides are given. Okay, now before continuing the topic, I am going to take few names of my active participants who used to take my classes almost daily. Okay, bete, literally I will consider their presence, their activeness. They used to take my online classes daily, and I'm going to take few names of my students here. Iman Rashid from 7A. I really appreciate bete. I really appreciate my these students here. Shehroz Arshad from 7A. Every day he used to sit properly in the uniform. Here Jay Kumar, Areeb, Sumaya, Sania, Ali, Ramla. So these are I first time I'm going to take the names of my students just to identify you, just to tell you that I am just noting down each and everything bete. Okay, I'm just noting down each and everything, and that will be all. I will consider this all your participation in your final terms. Remember this. Okay, so I want you all to participate in my online sessions properly. That's not the way that you are okay miss, I am going to attend the recorded session. Why you are not coming online, students? You have to online on time, you have to attend the class properly, just like my these students. This is not the way. Okay, so let's continue. So where were we? Okay, where were we? We were discussing when the measurements of the sides are given. Construct a rectangle ABCD given that AB and BC is given. Bete, before making the proper sketch, we know that we have to draw the rough sketch. We have to write given, required first, and then the steps of construction. First of all, let's draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. Then we have to put the compass on B. Why on B? Because BC is given, right? If AD is given, we can put the compass over A, right? Here BC is given, so we are going to put the protector on B. Open the protector more than half, and we have to make this semicircle. Okay, and then we have to put the compass over here, and we have to make two arcs. With these two arcs we get the perpendicular BX. Okay, we get the perpendicular. How can we check this perpendicular? By putting the compass, by putting the protector, by putting the D on this B angle ABX, we get 90 degree. And if it is 90 degree, that means we have drawn a proper perpendicular over AB, right? So what I am going to write in the steps of construction, bete, draw BX perpendicular to AB. Now how can I write perpendicular? Perpendicular can be written like this. Okay, perpendicular to AB. Draw AX perpendicular to AB. ठीक है, draw at B, draw BX perpendicular to AB. Now look at what I have drawn on BX. There is a ray. Okay, there is a ray given on the BX. As we can see that BX is a ray. Bete, this is very important to please note down this, that BX is a ray, so I have drawn a ray. Okay, if AB, here we can see the AB is a line segment, then what I have to draw? I have to draw only a line segment here on AB, right? So that's it. We have drawn perpendicular BX on AB. Now what we have to do? We have to take BS center with radius equals to 5 centimeter. draw an arc, okay, which cuts bx at point C, which cuts bx at point C, or I can say that, what, from bx, from this bx, cut off bc is equals to 5 centimeter. From bx, cut off bc is equals to 5 centimeter. Clear? Now do this step and write down the step of construction over here. Right? Is it clear? Now what we have to do? Now in this diagram we have to put the compass at C. Now with which measurement I have to draw an arc? Now with Abdullah Ishtiyaq, when we are putting the compass at C, bete, when we are putting the compass, I want you all to raise your hand if you know the correct answer. Now bete, only AB and BC is given. Iman, only AB and BC is given. Yes, Talha, only AB and BC is given. How can I draw the rectangle? How can I get this measurement? And how can I get this measurement? Okay, how can I get these two measurements? Can you tell me that with which measurement I have to draw here an arc, and with which measurement I have to draw an arc on A? Can you tell me? Raise your hand to give me the answer. Okay, Ali is there. Yes, Ali. Good. Yes, Ali. Bete, we have to put the compass at C. Now with which measurement I have to draw an arc?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Bete, but it's not given in the question that it is 8 centimeter.
Like every side of rectangle is equal. Opposite sides of rectangle is equal.
Very good, because the opposite sides of the rectangles are congruent. Ali, very good. Ali, give me one more answer. Bete, Ali, when I put the compass next on A, now with which measurement I have to draw an arc on A?
5 centimeter.
Very good. And by making these two arcs, what will we get?
Triangle ABC.
Huh?
D. ABC.
What will we
D,
get?
D, D.
D. We will
D.
get D. Shabash. We will get D. Ali. Shabash. Thank you so much. So here, CS center. Here, let me ask the question here. Arib, is it clear or not? Vania, Talha, Talha, you are not giving any answer through chat box, through the participants. You are not sharing any answer. I'm just checking it out. So CS center with radius 8 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, why? Because the opposite sides are congruent. Now you write down this step over there. Now AS center with radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at point D. Then join C to D and A to D. Join C to D and A to D. ABCD is our required triangle. Okay, finally you can write down. Better, what you can do? Finally you can write down 8 centimeter over here, right? And you can write down 5 centimeter over here properly, right? Okay, we know that in rectangle, what are the properties of rectangle? What are the properties? There are, how many properties of rectangles are there? How many properties are there? Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me that how many properties of rectangle? Okay, raise your hand and give me the answer. Quickly raise your hand and give me how many properties of rectangles we have discussed in this chapter. Can you tell me? Yes, Sheroz. How many properties of rectangles are there? Remember, how many properties are there?
Yes, 6 properties. 6.
Excellent.
Including the properties of parallelogram, because rectangle is also called as parallelogram.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So here 4 properties of parallelogram, then including 2 properties of rectangles gives us 6 property, because rectangle is a parallelogram whose all angles are of 90 degree, right? And what is the property of the diagonals of rectangle? That the diagonals of rectangles are congruent and bisect each other. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Why I am telling you again and again about the properties, because this is very important to remember. Please bete, again I am telling you that the properties are given on page number 166 till 168. Okay, just learn these properties properly. Okay, now I hope that you all have completed. Any question related to today's topic? Any question? Yes, Ramla. Yes, Ramla, you are raising your hand. Any question, Ramla?
यस मिस, मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि मिस आपने बोला था कि एक्सरसाइज 13.1 का क्वेश्चन 6 करना है
Exactly.
मिस, तो बुक में मेरे क्वेश्चन 6 तो कंस्ट्रक्ट रेक्टेंगल PQRS है.
Exactly. I was explaining an example question to you. Okay.
ओके मिस, कैन आई शो द वर्ड?
Exactly. Is there any question, Ramla? I'm first asking you, is there any question?
नो मिस, नो क्वेश्चंस.
No question. Everything is clear?
नो. यस मिस, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर.
So, Ramla, this is the index. Just look at the screen. Today's index is exercise 13.1 question number 6 and exercise 4.4 question number 4. Okay. Sheroz, you are raising any question, Sheroz? Yes, Sheroz, any question?
Miss, according to the index, Miss, exercise 4.4 question 4 I've already done. Do I have to do it
That's
again?
okay. That's great. No,
Miss,
if
I
you
have to do
have
it again?
no, if you have already completed it, you just have to show me today first with exercise 4.4, and then you have to show me 13.1 question 6. Okay. Now, students, is there any question? Any question? Yes, is there any question? Any more question? Raise your hand if there any question left. No questions? No questions? I'm asking you again. Is there any question? No? So this is 13.1 question number 6, 4.4 question number 4. First you have to show me question number 4 of exercise 4.4 and then 13.1 question number 6. Okay? Okay? Now, yes, Ramla, you are right. I give you the example question. Right now, I want you all to attempt question 6 that is based on PQRS. Okay. Now I'm going to stop my presentations right now, and I want you all to turn on your videos and show me your today's work. Show me your today's work. Okay, first question is here. Ramla and Sheroz both are showing their work. Okay, the question I have given you yesterday was 4.4, question number 4. Let me check out what was the question. Question number 4.4. Question number 4 was on page number 75. X plus 5 is less than minus 3. Okay, so by subtracting 5 on both sides, we get minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. Very good. So we get x is less than minus 8. Less than minus 8 gives us minus 9, minus 10, minus. Very good. But something is missing. What is missing, Sheroz? The symbol is missing. Only the symbol. Everything is perfectly done by you. Only the symbol. Excellent. Shabash. Now I want Ramla to show her work. Ramla, very good bete. Excellent. Excellent. Everything is proper, Ramla. That's great, Ramla. Now I want Iman, please show me your work. Everybody, turn on your videos. Ali, Arib, Talha, Vanya, Fatma, bete turn on your videos. I will not mark your attendance if you are not going to show me today's work. I'm telling you, I'm not going to mark your attendance. I want you all to show me what you are doing in the loose sheet. That's it. If you are just working right now, it doesn't matter. I want you all to show me your loose sheets on the screen. right now. Please turn on your videos quickly. Here Adan, Fatma, Areeb, Ali, Vanya, you all can share your videos, I know. Please share your videos right now. Sumaya, bete please turn on your video. Okay. So here, Ramla, can you share again that question? Okay. So students, I really appreciate Ramla and Sheroz right now. These two students have shared yesterday work with me. Very good, bete. Ramla, can you turn the page and show me exercise 12.1, the last question what we have done? 12.1, bete. 12.1, where is the triangle? Yes. So that was triangle DEF, and that was the case number 2 of triangle. We have discussed it yesterday, and these are the steps of construction. Very good. At E, draw EX, making angle measurement DEX is equals to 50 degree. DEX बिल्कुल सही. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम EX कट ऑफ EF, मेजरमेंट EF, ठीक है, मेजरमेंट EF M लिखिएगा बेटे. EF इज इक्वल्स टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. वेरी गुड. नाउ ज्वाइन D to F. Perfect. Perfect. DEF is our required triangle. Okay. If I can give, I wish I can give you the star right now, Ramla. That's great. Now anyone else can show me yesterday work? Yes. Quickly, show me yesterday work. Bete, turn on your videos right now. I'm telling you again, otherwise I will not mark your attendance. Or yes, very good. Can you show me the steps of construction? Okay. Draw the line segment DE, bilkul sahi. At E, making GED is equals to okay. Draw EG, bilkul sahi. Cut off EF from EG. Good. Join D to F. Now can you show me the construction? You have written DEF, and where is G? Okay, so here in this diagram Sharoz has mentioned G over there. So in the steps he has written G. He has mentioned EG over there. If you are writing X, you have to mention EX over there. Very good, Sharoz. I want more students to please share their videos. Iman, share your video, bete. Yes. Okay, very good, Iman. So you have written X over there, so you have mentioned that EX and making DEX is equals to 50 degree. Bilkul sahi. I can't see the steps of construction properly. Can you just little bit down? Okay. Move towards the right, little bit right. Yes. Now from EX cut off EF is equals to 6. Bilkul sahi. Okay. Turn the page and show me the question of exercise 4.4. Quickly. Sumaya, Nuseba, Ali, bete, turn on your videos right now. This is not the way. So here we get little bit closer, more closer. Okay. Little bit down. Iman, little bit down. Acha. Here. Iman, now listen to me properly. Bete, here we are subtracting 5 on both sides, right? By subtracting 5 on both sides, this minus 5 and plus 5 is going to be cancelled, and minus 3 and minus 5 gives you minus 8. Not 8, minus 8. But it just like plus 3 plus 5 give you plus 8, minus 5 minus 3 gives you minus 8. So the minus sign is missing over here. Otherwise, your solution is perfect. Now, where is today's work, Iman? You are doing it right now? Okay. So let's continue your work. Very good. Again, I'm telling you, I will consider your appearance in my online classes. I'm just noting down the names of the student. Your presence, your presence will be appreciated, as well as I will consider your presence. I will try to consider your presence in your final term exams also. If you are not listening to me, I will not listen to you. Okay? So please turn on your cameras right now. Turn on your cameras right now. So here, when you are solving the question, I am going to turn on my video also to show you that, okay, I'm going to turn on my video to show you that how can we do this question, how can we attempt this question. Because question is construct a rectangle. Is it a correct question? First we have to check that the question is correct or not. Okay, the question is correct. First mention the date. Exercise question number 6, construct a rectangle PQRS when measurement PQ and PS is given. So first we have to write down the given is what is given over here. In rectangle PQRS, measurement PQ is equals to 7 centimeter and measurement PS is equals to 4 centimeter. Now according to the property, don't forget to make this line segment over there, right? So according to the rectangle property, we know that the opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Bete, if we are making the rough sketch of PQRS, first PQ is of 7 centimeter, right? Then PQRS, Iman, PQRS, like this. Don't write PQSR, PQRS, right Ramla? PQRS, right Ali? Now here PS is given, so I have to draw the semicircle and I have to draw PX over there, right? And from PX I can cut off PS is equals to 4 centimeter, like this. Okay, then SS center with radius 4 centimeter or 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, right? Draw an arc, and QS center with radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at R, right? Now join S to R and R to Q. Okay, now let's start making the proper diagram with me. Okay, here first of all let's draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. PQ is equals to, better we have to start from 0 till 7 centimeter. First we have to draw line segment PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Then what we have to do, students, we have to draw, what we have to draw, we have to draw a perpendicular on, we have to draw a perpendicular on P, we have to draw a perpendicular on P. Now beta, we have to put the compass on this P properly, and we have to open the compass here, right, more than half, and just draw the semicircle in such a way that it cuts this PQ at one point. Now with the same measurement, अब आपको compass move नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Now with the same measurement, put your compass on this point where this semicircle meets your line segment PQ and draw one arc. Okay, draw one arc over there, draw one arc. Okay, now put your protector. Okay, first what we have to do, first put your compass on this intersecting point and make the first arc, and then you have to put the compass on this intersecting point. Now you have to make two arcs. Okay, one on the semicircle and one above the semicircle, like this. Okay, now put the protector on this second arc, okay, on the second arc. Where? Again I'm telling you that first we have to draw the semicircle, then we have to put the protector, we have to put the compass here, we have to draw first arc, and on this arc we have to draw two arcs over there, first arc, and then on first arc we have to draw two arcs. Then we have to put the compass on the second intersecting arc on the semicircle, and then draw another arc which cuts the previous arc, and finally join P, this point P. Bete, listen to me. First put your pencil over here and adjust your scale, okay, adjust your scale like this, and then just check it out that this point P is properly intersecting this intersecting arc or not. Now join this 2 points properly, and when you join, mention here this is array X, this is array PX, this is array PX, its name is PX, this ray name is PX. Can you see the ray? PX. Now what we have to do, PS is given of 4 centimeter. Bete, now put your compass at here 4 and open till, okay, still 0 till 4 centimeter, okay. Open your compass from 0 till 4 and then put your compass here on P with the measurement 4 centimeter. Draw an arc, this gives you S, this gives you S. It is of 4 centimeter, it is of 4 centimeter. Step number 1, draw line segment PQ is equals to 7 centimeter. Step number 2, at P draw PX perpendicular to PQ, okay. Step number 3, from PX, okay, from this PX cut off PS, cut off PX, देखो, from PX cut off PS is equals to 4 centimeter, okay. I'm repeating my words. From PX, ठीक है, from PX cut off PS is equals to 4 centimeter. हमने कट ऑफ कर दिया है, ठीक है. कट ऑफ PS is equals to 4 centimeter. Now here PS is equals to 4 centimeter. PS is equals to 4 centimeter. Now we have to put the compass on S. With the 4 centimeter we have to draw an arc? No. We with the 7 centimeter, with the radius 7 centimeter, then again take your protector, take your compass and take your scale in your hand, and with the measurement of 7 centimeter, with the measurement of 7 centimeter you have to draw an arc. With the measurement of 7 centimeter, draw an arc like this, right? Draw an arc. Now QS center with radius 4 centimeter. QS center with radius 4 centimeter. Okay? Why? Because the opposite sides are congruent. बेटे अगर PS 4 centimeter है तो obviously the opposite side must be of 4 centimeter. Then draw another arc. QS center with radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at point, which point is this? This point is called R. This point is called R. Now put your scale like this, okay, and just check out that these two points are meeting properly or not. Like this. Just look at how I am meeting these 2 points. Put your pencil over there. Just check out that like this. Are you getting me? Now finally, just put your scale over pencil over here, okay, and adjust your scale in this way, okay. Just check out like this and draw a line segment properly. So here this is of 7 centimeter, this is of 4 centimeter, right? So here we get a rectangle, okay, here we get a rectangle PQRS of, right? Is it clear? Now I want you all to turn on your videos and show me your today's work. Yes, Ali. Ali, show me your work. Ali. Yes. Very good, Ali. Now show me today's rectangle. Show me today's rectangle properly, bete. That's great. That's great. I can see it properly. Little bit upward. Move your copy. Move your copy. Okay. So we get PQRS. Ali, can you please unmute yourself? Ali. Ali, unmute yourself. Yes, Ali. Unmute yourself. Yes, Ali. Ali, what is the step number 1? What we have to write in the first step? What is the step number 1? Ali, I can't hear you. Ali, unmute yourself. What is the step number 1? Yes, Ali. Step number 1 is, in steps of construction, what we have to write? Everybody please. Nuseba. Nuseba, what is the step number 1? Nuseba, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Yes, Nuseba. Ali, you are raising. Okay, you are again raising your hand. Yes, Ali. Unmute yourself and try to give me the answer.
7 centimeters.
Repeat your words. Yes, Nuseba. Give me the answer, Nuseba and Ali. Give me the answer. Yes, Abdullah Ishtiyaq, unmute yourself. Abdullah Ishtiyaq, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Quickly. I will not mark your attendance if you are not going to give me the answer. I am telling you. Yes, Sumaya, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Sumaya, unmute yourself, give me the answer. Iman, unmute yourself and give me the answer, bete.
Yes, miss.
Yes, bete. What is the step number 1 in the steps of construction? What is the step
Miss,
number 1?
Miss, draw measurement PQ is equals to 7 centimeter.
Very good. So number 1 step is draw. Okay, in the first we have to write down required over there, that to construct a rectangle. So step number 1 is very good. Draw
measurement PQ is equals to 7 centimeter.
Now, is there anything missing?
Yes, miss.
What is missing?
मिस हम PQ के ऊपर लाइन बनाएंगे.
Line segment.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Now, what is the step number 2?
Miss, at Q, draw QX perpendicular to PQ.
At Q, where we
At
have
Q,
drawn,
draw-
where I have drawn a perpendicular. Where I have drawn a perpendicular.
QX.
Look at the diagram. Where the perpendicular is going to be drawn. Where I have drawn the perpendicular? At Q or P?
PX.
P.
PX. Sorry,
So
miss.
at P.
At P draw
From.
PX.
Draw PX
Draw PX perpendicular to.
perpendicular. How can I write perpendicular? By
Miss हम सी साइन बनाएंगे perpendicular की.
perpendicular to
Yes, miss. Perpendicular to QP.
PQ. Very good.
PQ.
Very good. Now next turn is here Ramla. Okay Ramla, quickly bete, what will be the next step? Thank you Iman. What will be the next step?
Welcome, miss.
From PX, cut off PS is equals to 4 centimeter.
From PX
PX,
PX, ठीक है,
yes,
cut off
PS,
PS.
PS
Hmm.
is equals to 4 centimeter.
Is it correct what I am writing? Is it?
No miss, miss no, PX के ऊपर एक लाइन बनेगी और उसमें एरो होगा.
क्यों? क्यों? Reason?
Miss because PX is Miss because BX is the ray, इसलिए मिस के ऊपर लाइन
Excellent.
बनेगी.
And what about PS? It's okay. Again I have to make a ray.
Yes miss, again we have to make a ray.
PS is a ray. No. बेटे PS
No
is,
miss, हमें ray नहीं बनाना. No miss, we don't have to make the ray.
we have to make a segment, ठीक है ना? Because it's a
Yes.
part, it's a segment. We know the ending points. देखें, look at the construction बेटे Ali, look at the diagram. PS, we know the ending point of PS. P starts from P and ends at S. That means it gives you the ending points at both sides. It's a line segment, ठीक है? The next step, raise your hand and give me the answer. Here again I am going to request my students. Vanya, please. Vanya, thank you so much. Ramla, very good bete. Vanya, unmute yourself bete, please. Don't do this with me. This is not the way. Vanya, unmute yourself and give me the answer. I am giving you one more chance. Sumaya, Vanya, unmute yourself and give me the answer. No? Okay, Sheroz. Sheroz, yes, give me the answer bete.
Yes.
Yes bete. Now what we have to do bete?
Miss Q as a center with yes, Miss Q as a center with radius is equal to 4 centimeter draw an arc.
ठीक है. Now QS center with radius 4 centimeter. Now we don't have that much time, so I'm not going to write it over there. So I am going to check out that what are you saying. Just show me your construction, steps of construction. Show me your steps of construction. Steps of construction. Now, yes, QS center with radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc, and SS center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at R. Very good. Now join S to R and R to Q. Perfect. So PQR is our required rectangle. Very good. Next is Ramla. Ramla, very